Hi, this is Dan, and today we're talking about the Zebra MC3300ax. So the Zebra MC3300 family is the industry leader in light industrial mobile computing. And it's been around since about 2018 or so. You might want to reference the video I made back in 2018 talking about the original MC3300. Everything I said back then is true. What's true today is that it's gotten better and better. First there was the MC3300X, and now the MC3300ax. Some of the notable differences are a faster processor, a brighter screen, and Wi-Fi 6. In short, what was a great device is now still a great device based on modern standards. So let's take a look. This is what we call the brick form factor, and this is very popular among certain end user types that oftentimes are sitting at a table and doing scanning while they perhaps are assembling something. This is the pistol grip form factor, and this is very popular for people that are actually moving boxes around a warehouse. So we help our clients choose between these technologies all day long, every day. There's actually over 300 individual SKUs in the 3300 family. Give us a call and we'll help you figure out which of those is right for you.